Welcome to Pokemon Drawn Badly and Barely Colouring in the Lines, with me, your host Professor Pro, along with trivia that nobody asked for. We are starting the week with a first generation Weezing. It is one of only 24 Pokemon that consist of multiple bodies. In some Pokédex entries it is said that triplet versions have been spotted. Weezing has surprisingly very high defense values, despite looking like a soft bag of gas. It also has the most moves that cause it to faint than any other Pokemon. James of Team Rocket had a Weezing, and I think it tarnished its reputation as a Pokemon for the bad guys. So that's it. Usually spend 20-30 minutes on these drawings. What do you think?